Hey, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sophia, where's your Wawa? Where's your Wawa? Did you make a fall down? It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Sophia, do you walk? You have to get those, huh? They just can't live without them. Come see your mama. Say hi, mama.
Mama.
Do you have some crayon on your face? Is it good? Like rouge. Crayon? Did you get some crayon on the couch? Good job. Do you like orange rouge or pink rouge? Sophia, don't eat the crayon. Sophia? Sophia, can you walk? Are you a walker? You can. Let's see. Can you walk over to your blocks? Where's your blocks? Oh, go get them. Where are you going? Hi. You gonna go up the stairs?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put your crayons down? No? You're gonna go up the stairs? Okay, here you go. Hey, hey. Are you a monkey? Oh, good job. Yay. More? More stairs? More stairs?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Was that the scoot scoot? Yeah, we're gonna go all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going all the way up?
Yeah.
Oh boy. All the way up. Up, up. Oh. Ooh. Are you like King Kong? Do you think you're big enough to stand and walk up the stairs? I don't think so. Should we open the gate?
Yeah.
Okay. Up, up, up. Woo! You made it all the way to the top. Yay! Can you clap your hands?
Sure.
Huh? Let's see. Say, I did it. I did it. I climbed to the top. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi. Should we walk to your nursery? Yeah? Whoop, upsy doozy. Oh. Oh, I know. I know. You gonna climb up on that box? Your favorite hiding spot. What you got there? You gonna color your dress?
No.
What are you gonna do? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Are those your shoes? What's on that book? What's on that book? Is that the ducks book? Quick, quick, quick. What do ducks say? Yeah. Oh! Are you throwing stuff? Hey, Sophia, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.